Okay, so today's project is getting the floor put in the shop upstairs. So to do that, instead of carrying all this flooring that goes upstairs, up the steps, we're going to use that lift. We are going to cheat, exactly. Hey, you. Oh, you're filming too. Awesome.
Well, I'm going to.
Okay, so this is Great Lakes vinyl floors, waterproof, pet and family friendly, whatever. The important part is it is 6mm overall thickness. It's got a 20mm wear layer. That is like a more premium vinyl floor. Okay, so I'm going to start installing this down here in the left-hand corner and just start working back this way. Okay, so I'm gonna put this floor down, starting right there. Hey everybody, Rob and Maggie here. This is the second edit on this video. It kind of fell into the trap of like almost a tutorial, and we just don't do how-to videos here. So again, this is how we did it, and definitely you can do it too. But like I said, it just kind of made a boring video after I got it edited and we sat here and watched it. We're like, we don't want to waste people's time like that. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. We cut it down, and like I said, it just kind of shows our progression of building the interior of our barn house. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. We know your time's valuable, and we sure do appreciate it. Have a good one. Trying out these rolling knee pads. Not sure how I like them yet. Howdy everybody, this is Rob. Just so you know, those rolling knee pads are currently in the box to go to Goodwill. The regular knee pads just work a lot better. Those things seemed like a good idea, but they just didn't work for me. Okay, so this floor is going down pretty good. One thing that I did find was if you work on the floor instead of in front of the floor, putting them on, it kind of helps to make them lock in because you're actually weighting down the floor behind it. So when you push on them, you know, it doesn't move at all. So let's see if, let me make this stick. I know what I'll do. With this magnet base and this, should be able to make this stand up. And of course I don't have my knee pads on. There we go. Ooh. There's a time when I wouldn't have considered putting knee pads on to do a job like this, but that's pretty much gone. So like I said, if you kneel on this side of the floor and put these on, it seems to go a lot quicker for me at least. Okay, I'll get a measurement here. Six and a half. I was taking these boxes and opening it in and sliding these things out. But I figured out this looks a little easier. Sure it does. Go. If you tap these in, tap them very gently because those vinyl edges are a little bit brittle. Okay, the workshop wood floor was actually vinyl plank, but it is finished and I think it came out really well. It turned out it was extremely easy to put down. It's just a patience and finesse thing. And even though this video wasn't really a tutorial on how to do that, we did it.
Hello, camera people. Today, I've gotten tired of some of my clutter in the barn. So what I'm going to do is start arranging this room, trying to make it make a little bit of sense. So I can get all that stuff up here. This is the upstairs workshop, which we designed into the house after we had to change our plans. And so this is room where I do a lot of my woodworking, or at least I plan to, and I'm a wood carver, so this is where most of that's set up. So anyway, I'm gonna switch y'all to time lapse so you can just watch me move stuff around this room, and it'll be just like that.
So anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked it, drop a like. If you'd like to subscribe, we've got a lot of house left to go, plus a few other adventures. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, y'all.